What's up everybody, CP here. Welcome back to yet another video. Today I am going to tell you about what are deepfakes. Deepfakes are so named because they used to deep learning technology, a branch of machine learning that applies neural net simulation to massive dataset to create a fake. Artificial intelligence effectively learns what a source face looks like at a different angle in order to transpose the face onto a target, usually an actor, as if it were a mask. Huge advance comes through the application of generative adversarial network to pit two AI algorithms against each other. One creates the fakes and other greeting its efforts, teaching the synthesis engine to make better forages. Hollywood has transported real or fictional faces onto other actors, for example, bringing Peter Cushing back to life in 2016's Rogue One, a Star Wars story. But the technique used complex, expensive pipeline and face-mounted cameras. Simple software tools such as Fake App and Deepfake Lab have since made a comfortable effect available to all. The technology offers interesting possibilities that range from dubbing, improving, and repairing video to solve the uncanny valley effect in a video game, avoiding actors having to repeat fulfilled line. The creation of apps that allows us to try on clothes or hairstyle and even to train doctors, but many fear it is used for nefarious ends. And even to train a doctors, but many fear it is begin used for nefarious ends. These are the fakes that have scared people the most so far. How to detect deepfakes? Detecting deepfakes is a hard problem. Deepfakes can, of course, be detected by naked eyes. Other signs that machine can spot include a lack of eye blinking or shadow that look wrong. GANs that generate deepfakes are getting better all the time, and soon we will have to rely on digital forensics to detect deepfakes, if we can in fact detect them or at all. Basic concept. The concept of deepfake is very simple. Let's say we want to transfer the face of person A to video of person B. First we collect hundreds of thousands of pictures for both person. We build an encoder to encode all these pictures using a deepfake learning. Then we use a decoder to reconstruct the image. This auto encoder has over a million parameters but is not even close even to remember all the pictures. So the encoder needs to extract the most important features to recreate the original inputs. Think about it as a crime sketch. The features are the description from witness, and the composite sketch artist use them to reconstruct a picture of suspect. To decode the features, we use separate decoders for person A and person B. Now we train the encoder and decoder such that the input will match closely with the output. This process is time consuming. With a GPU graphics card, it takes about 3 days to generate decent result. Deepfake content is created by using two components. A algorithm, one is called generator and other is called discriminator. The generator, which creates the funny multimedia content, asks the discriminator to determine whether the content is real or artificial. Together, the generator and discriminator form something called generative adversarial network. Each time the discriminator accurately identifies a content as being fabricated, it provides the generator which value information about how to improve the next deepfake. The first step is establishing a GNA to identify the described output to create a training database for a generator. Once the generator being creating an acceptable level of output, video clips can be fed to discriminator. As generator gets better at creating fake video clips, the discriminator gets better at spotting them. Conversely, as the discriminator gets better at spotting fake videos, the generator gets better at creating them. Until recently, video content has been more difficult to alter in many substantial ways because deepfakes are created through AI. However, they don't require the considerable skill that it would take to create a realistic video otherwise. Unfortunately, this means that just about anyone can create a deepfake to promote their chosen agenda. One danger is that people will take such video as at face value. Another is that people will stop trusting in the validity of any video content at all. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.